just go where she wants to go. She's so pretty. Such a pretty girl. Look at her go. Oh my, she just wants biggins every time. She loves her Bubby.
Yeah.
Oh, want to smell? Oh, oh, Daddy's boots.
Oh, this feels good. This weather. I like this weather.
See, I'm used to this weather. This is how I lived till I was rescued from the heat.
Oh, the heat feels so good. But sometimes it gets too hot, and I pass out for a little bit. I'm okay now. I'm okay. Oh, I'm gonna run around. I'm gonna run around. Oh, no, I'm gonna sit. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go sniff these feet. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna do the dog. At least I think it's a dog.
Good boy, Biggins. Good boy.